to our channel. So in this video we will be seeing how Java is different from .NET and how .NET is different from Java. तो जब हम एज अ फ्रेशर किसी कंपनी में जाते हैं या नए नए प्लेस जो होते हैं, हमारी जो फर्स्ट जॉब होती है, तब तब तक हमें .NET के बारे में पता नहीं होता, बट जावा के बारे में सब जानते हैं कि जावा इज़ अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. बट nobody knows that there is a framework which helps us in developing websites. So same way में जब मेरी प्लेसमेंट हुई थी तो मुझे .NET प्रोफाइल मिली थी और मेरे बाकी दोस्तों को किसी को जावा मिली, किसी को PL/SQL मिली, सो किसी को टेस्टिंग मिली. सो वी वॉज कन्फ्यूज कि भाई सबके दिमाग में आता है कि विच प्रोफाइल इज़ मोर बेटर. सो in this video I will be telling you some on which you can decide that Java is better or .NET is better. You can estimate by your own, but I will be telling you difference by these fields. So I will be telling you differences on these bases, like fundamentals, languages, operating system, IDEs, libraries, performance, licensing, and at the end average salaries in India and average salaries in US. So in basis पर हम I will be telling you difference, and that's your work कि which one is more better than other. So let's get started with fundamentals. So .NET is a free cross-platform open source framework for developing a wide range of applications. Microsoft began creating the .NET framework in the late 1990s, and the first beta version of .NET 1.0 were released in early 2000. And on the other hand, Java is a programming language, so Java is not a framework, as we all know, but Spring Boot is a framework which uses Java. So if you are going in Java profile, then you will be definitely using Spring Boot framework. So Java is a programming language and computing platform developed by Sun Microsystems that was initially released in 1995. Java is a popular object-oriented programming language and software platform utilized on billions of devices such as notebook, computers, mobile devices, gaming, consoles, medical equipment, and many others. So second base is languages. So with .NET, you can utilize multiple languages. .NET applications can be written in C Sharp, FHAS, or Visual Basic. Java is a programming language by itself. However, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, does support other languages such as Python, R, Rex, and Ruby. So our third base is operating system. So .NET operates only on Windows operating system, Windows 98 or later, or Windows. So Java can run on a variety of operating system including Microsoft Windows, Solaris, Linux, and Mac OS. So our next base is IDEs. So in .NET, IDEs like Atom, Bracet, Sublime Text, Amac, and Vim is used, but the most common one is Visual Studio. So Java utilize IDEs such as Eclipse, BlueJ, IntelliJ IDEA, JGrasp, JCreator, NetBeans, Greenfoot, and JDevelop. And I'm sure you were coding in NetBeans or Eclipse, and I'm sure you already have used one of these IDEs like Eclipse or NetBeans or Visual Studio also. So next base is libraries. The .NET Framework class library is a collection of classes, namespaces, interfaces, and value types used in .NET applications. Class libraries in .NET have the shared library concept. They allow you to break down useful functionality into modules that multiple apps can utilize. The Java class library is a collection of dynamically loadable libraries that Java virtual machine languages can use during execution. A Java library is simply a collection of classes that someone else has already created. So some of the libraries used in Java are as follows: Apache Commons, Google Guava, Jackson. So guys, our next base is performance. So .NET makes use of natively compiled languages such as C Sharp and C++. They are faster and use less memory than Java. .NET also allow for code optimization and writing less code, which improves performance. Shorter code also means less time spent on code maintenance and simpler debugging. So the performance of Java is due to in part of its just-in-time compiler and concurrency features. The Java runtime environments includes the JIT compiler. The JVM includes execute the compiled code because the code is not interpreted. Compiling does not take any processing time or memory. As a result, a Java application runs at the same speed as a native application. So next is licensing. So .NET is a free developer platform with no licensing fees. Whereas in Java, since the April 2019 Java 8 upgrade, all versions and updates for Java 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 are free for personal use and development. Any other use necessitates the purchase of a commercial license. So now the most interesting, jobs and salaries. So if we talk about United States, there are more than 2,54,000 .NET developers working in the United States. And in India, the average income for a .NET software developer is nearly 4 LPA or 4.5 LPA. So this is if you join as a fresher. And whereas in the United States, the average income for a .NET software developer is more than $68,000. So if we talk about Java, so there are more than 3 lakh Java developers working in the United States. And in India, the average income for a Java developer is 4 lakh 60,000, and in United States it is more than $76,000. So I hope you can get all your answers. Now you can judge that which is better or what is the difference between Java and .NET. This will be the all for this video. I will be seeing you in next video, guys.